Direct proportion and inverse proportion part 4. Example number 1. If 7 kilograms onions cost 140 rupees, how much must we pay for the 12 kilograms of onions? So for that we have to make one table and write the given quantities here, that 7 kilogram onions and its cost is 140 rupees. And what is the cost of 12 kilograms of onions? So in the cost place question mark, and we consider as a x variable because we don't know its value. So 7 kilogram to 12 kilogram means the quantity, this onions increases or decreases? The quantity of onion increases. Relatively, the cost will increase or decrease. If the kilograms of onion increase, we have to pay the more money for it. It means the cost of the onion also will increase. Therefore, there is a direct proportion in between the quantity of onion and its cost. So we have to divide the values. Let the cost of the 12 kg onions be x. Consider it as x. So 7 upon 140. When there is a direct proportion, we have to write the ratio of the given quantities. 7 upon 140. Ratio is equal to 12 upon x. After cross multiplication, we can write there 7 into x and 12 into 140. 7 into x is equal to 12 into 140. Take this 7 to the right side. After dividing it, 7 2s are 14, so 20. 12 into 20 is equal to 240. Therefore, cost of the 12 kg onions is 240 rupees. Let's take one more example. If the 10 pens cost 60 rupees, what is the cost of the 13 such pens? Let us suppose the cost of the 13 pens is as x rupees. Now see, here the number of pens are 10 and here the number of pens are 13. Means the number of pens increases. Relatively, you have to see that the amount that we have to pay will increase or decrease. If we are going to buy the more pens, we have to pay the more money for it. Correct. Therefore, there is a direct proportion. The number of pens and their cost vary in a direct proportion. Let us express the ratio and obtain an equation. So write down the ratio for it. Number of pens upon the amount paid for it, 60. 10 upon 60 is equal to number of pens 30 upon x. You can use here both sides equating method that we have learnt. Multiplying both sides by 60x, or you can cross multiply 10 into x, 60 into 13. X will be 10x and 60 into 13 is equal to 780. After shifting this 10 to the right side, you will get here 78, means 780 divided by 10. So you will get here 78. X is 78, means cost of the 13 pens is rupees 78. Like this you can solve the direct proportion examples. Understood it?